Experiencing issues with total wireless verification codes? It's a common problem, especially with two-factor authentication, 2FA. The main reasons codes fail are time synchronization problems, glitches with your 2FA app, or hitting retry limits. We'll focus on these key areas to get you back up and running. As of 2025, Total Wireless uses 2FA for critical actions like login and SIM activation, so solving this is important for account security. First, ensure your device's time is accurate. Go to your phone's settings and enable automatic date and time. Total Wireless uses coordinated universal time, and being off by more than 30 seconds can invalidate codes. Next, verify your 2FA app is correctly linked to your Total Wireless account. Regenerate the secret key if needed. If you've tried multiple times, you might be locked out. Total Wireless typically allows only 5 attempts in 10 minutes. These steps address the most frequent causes of verification failures reported by Total Wireless users.